This is a rendering worth 3,000 yuan. But with Nano Banana, it only takes 10 seconds. You can get it for free. You can switch styles freely. And the rendering image corresponds precisely to the original model. Whether it's a villa, an office building, or a commercial complex, or a single building model, you can add surrounding context and render it with one click. For larger residential areas, or bird's eye views of the city, landscape parks, garden designs, demonstration areas, home decoration, living rooms and bedrooms, public spaces such as office spaces, hotel lobbies, restaurants, etc. Even a white model without materials can be done, switching between different styles with one click. This video will teach you how to operate it. Open the official website of AI Architect Master. Find the banana agent at the top. Upload the base map after coming in. Let's take a look at the rough model. Like this, there is only the main model of the building. When the surrounding scenery is missing, you can find AI on the left to add rich backgrounds, so that plants, characters, and sky can be added. Click to use it immediately. Enter prompt words. Click to create. In this way, just one-click rendering from the rough mold for the complete renderings. You can also use a quick template to generate it quickly. If you find the effect of one-click landscape inappropriate, you can also control it through the description words. You can ask Banana to add the background directly. Generate different effects. Of course, you can continue to adjust the description to control the overall effect of the generation. Let's take a look at the more complete base map of the scene, such as the fine model. You don't need to add too many words to describe the picture. You can use more style control words. Click to create. You can see that the high accuracy required for fine model rendering can also be satisfied. In addition, you can directly upload the master's renderings as a reference image and slightly adjust the description words. Get the same texture as high-end renderings. Even for a larger scale bird's eye view model, it can also accurately identify and generate. Besides Banana, I recommend AI model rendering tools to everyone. Without description words, it's easy to operate and learn. Also find AI rendering on the home page. After clicking in, select the field, upload the base image, select the type, then select the rendering mode. Accurate mode and realistic mode are recommended here. Accurate mode. It focuses on the details and clarity of materials and textures. It's suitable for models with higher completion. The realistic mode focuses more on the overall lighting. It is suitable for both rough and fine grinding. Let's look at the realistic mode first. Adjust an atmosphere you like. Click render to get a great rendering effect. Let's look at the accurate mode. Many preset templates are available here. Commercial buildings can be selected. Choose a style. Click render to get an accurate rendering. The other two styles are also very good. Let's try a residential building. The previous operations remain unchanged. This time we choose a realistic style to try. We can see that the overall effect is very realistic. For more photos and renderings, click to generate. Very convenient. What is the difference between Banana and AI rendering tools? Banana can use prompts to adjust the picture effect, but it requires a high level of prompt words, which may change the content of the picture. While AI rendering tools don't require a description, select the template provided in the tool to generate, and we will continue to train the model. With higher accuracy, you can choose according to your needs. After seeing the buildings, let's look at the interior. In addition to all kinds of home improvement and tooling fine mold rendering, you can also upload a white film without materials. At this point, AI rendering tools are more recommended. After uploading the base map, directly in the white film rendering mode, select the provided style presets. You can easily render the corresponding style renderings. It's easy to switch between styles like this. What if there is no white film? Just when uploading the base map, find the AI conversion on the left to turn it into a white film. After converting it into a white film, it's easier to switch styles. Finally, let's look at the landscape. It is also a model with unconfigured surrounding scenery. Click to add background. After adding, enter a description word. Click create. In this way, you can add to render the complete landscape effect. The sperm mold is also the same operation as before. Just enter the description word to get a fine effect. The effect of AI rendering tools is also very good. Have you learned how to render renderings with Banana now? archMaster.ai have a lot of tools for you to discover. Go and try it.